Hey guys, how's it going? It's Kylan Hurt, aka Captain Crypto of the Telos crew, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about what I've been working on with regards to integrating Telos into Edge Wallet. So for those of you who are not currently aware of what Edge Wallet is, it is a multi-asset cryptocurrency wallet that is available both on iOS and Android. It's currently available in the currently available in both of those app stores, and they have something like the active accounts are somewhere in the tens of thousands. Total users, I believe, is somewhere in the hundreds of thousands. And it's a very easy to use wallet, but the most compelling part is a feature that they call Edge Login or Edge SDK. Now, this is especially useful for decentralized application developers who want to use a library that can um, handle key management. So if you're building on web or on mobile with React Native, both of those JavaScript and the Edge SDK is built with JavaScript. So it does give you the ability to get access to a user's wallet on both of those platforms, both on mobile and on web. Now, for security reasons, when a decentralized application is given access to a user's wallet, they have to ask for permission from the user, and perhaps more importantly, the dApp will have a dedicated wallet, so it is only able to grab, it only has the authority to interact with that wallet, not any of the other wallets. So if you were worried that a dApp could have malicious code in it, all a user would have to do is make sure that they don't keep much money in that wallet, and they would be okay. So I'm going to do a little bit of demonstration here and see what you guys think. So let's say I'm building an application. So you guys know, some of you know I'm somewhat interested in video streaming, things that are related to that. So let's say someone's trying to upload a video, but you need an account in order to do that. So Edge login is somewhat similar to like Facebook login or Google or Twitter. It's a single sign-on sort of solution. All right, so just so you know, my computer's going a little bit slow. It's because I'm streaming. I have a mobile simulator going. Excuse me, not streaming, recording rather. I have a mobile application going. I'm also building this web dApp, which needs to be compiled and run and all that. So click on Edge, log in with Edge. So once you log in the first time with username and password, then subsequently all you have to do is use your PIN, your Edge PIN. So you'll notice there you go, it logs in, and as soon as it logs in this app, this is just a demonstration. I'm going to show you how you can interact with a wallet. So I've already written the code to give the Edge SDK access to this Captain Crypto wallet you'll see on the right in the simulator. So, and you'll notice too, Kylan Test Telos 10, that is the same account that I just logged in with the Edge SDK. So my other wallet that's Telos in this in the mobile wallet off to your right is Hey Tim, something like that. Okay, I don't want to try to read it. So I'm going to show you what happens here. If I want to send Telos from one, excuse me, from one of the wallets to the other, from the Captain Crypt wallet to the other one. So let's see here. Sorry, I'm got my mobile phone here too. So I'm going to try sending 100 Telos. So I say send. All right. And okay, transaction successfully sent. So it's 69.81 is the wallet amount there, and then it should go up a little bit. Let's see here. So now it's 74.70. So the balance is already updated. That was pretty fast, a few seconds. And then momentarily we should see there you go, 100 Telos received. And you can see the transaction right there, as well as some of the earlier transactions. So that is a good, how would I say, a good demonstration of how the Edge SDK can work. It's an excellent experience for users, and I think it's also a good experience for developers. So I'm going to show you one more thing here. It's even cooler is if I were to, oh, no, I don't want to reload. Give me a moment here. All right, we're going to go back to the home page, and instead of logging in with my PIN, this time we are going to use a different method. So for those of you who don't want to put in your username or password, let's see here. for those of you who don't want to put in a username or password, you can actually scan. So I got, see here, got my mobile phone. Okay, so I'm logged into the account, and then I say I want to scan. All right, so now again we click on this Edge login button. All right, PIN, we don't want to use PIN. Instead, we're going to do login with the Edge app. QR code is created. I scan the QR code, fetch login info. I press accept on my phone. I haven't pressed anything, and look, the application knows that we've been logged in. And once again, we'll send ourselves, how about 300 Telos from one wallet to the other, just for fun. Getting some errors here, but I mean, I'm in debug mode here, so as long as the important stuff is working, it doesn't really matter. So we're at $74.70, and let's see here, the transaction has been sent. Now we're at $89, so less than 10 seconds, which is nice. And the transactions take a little bit longer to come in, but I think once Hyperion is available and we can do WebSockets, then that should go much faster. There you go, 300 Telos received. So, real quick, I think I'm going to show you all it takes. Whoop. Let's see here. In order to scope it, in order to get access to the Edge login feature, I gotta delete this. Delete something real quick so you can't see. But okay, so you'll see at the top, make Edge login UI context from Edge login UI web, and then we use that function make Edge UI context. You need to register with Edge to get an API key, and you need a name for your app and an app ID. And then other than that, I mean, what I just showed you, it's pretty minimal. You're just talking like a dozen lines of code, maybe 2 dozen. It's really not that much. And that gives you access to an Edge wallet user's account for the wallets that are dedicated to that decentralized application. So I hope that you will consider voting yes on our proposal. We're very excited to bring these features to the Telos community, and we definitely want to help the application developers build as easily as possible. We don't want them to have to worry too much about key management. Let them focus just on building their decentralized applications. All right, so this is Captain Crypto of the Telos crew. Thanks for your time.